Hello guys, welcome back to a video. In this video, I will provide you red and black free preset for Camera Raw. So let's start our video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And why this tutorial till end? Because the preset file is password protected and the password will show in the corner of this video anywhere. So why this tutorial till end? Let's start our process. First of all, we have to open Photoshop. Then we just import our images in Photoshop. This is our first image and this one is our second image. First we will make that preset on this image in Camera Raw. So press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer to see before and after. Press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. And in Camera Raw we will make that black and red color grading. So as you can see this, that I have make all the settings in Camera Raw to make a red and black look in our image. So now I have saved these settings as a preset. Now press OK. So this is the before image, this one is the after. This is the before, this is the after. So now we will apply this preset on our this image. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer, then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Click here, then select Load Settings. Then simply select your preset, then press Open. But it does not look so much beautiful on this image. Yeah, after these settings this looks more beautiful. Press OK. So this is the before image, this one is the after. This is the before, this is the after. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And please support this channel on Patreon financially. And I want to say thanks to GSK Gupta, who is supporting this channel financially on Patreon. Goodbye.